Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can insert a connector like an elbow or a curved connector into your whiteboard presentations on Canva. So let us get started. Head over to your whiteboard presentation, and then guys, as you can see, I have inserted a couple of shapes here to that, or elements to that presentation. Now you can, or there are two ways how you can create these connectors. Option number one, you left click into the given shape, and then you will see these four dots here. You can use any of these. Left click into it, hold your left mouse position in the copied element here, left click. Then you may left click into the copied or duplicated element, remove it by pressing backspace, and this will leave or keep the given connector, so that you can now left click into its endpoint here and position the connector, and for example use it to connect it with another element by navigating it to that dock here. That's option number one. Option number two, guys, would be to navigate to that to these editing tools here for the whiteboard presentation. I don't mean that panel here, but that one here. You will only see it inside your whiteboard presentation. So switch from the select tool to the connector or lines tool here and choose one of these connector types: straight, elbowed, or curved. I will go with this one. Left click, and then if you left click into it, it will be positioned here in the center of your presentation. So you can left click into it and drag it to your preferred position on your whiteboard presentation here. And then the same method again. Left click into the start or endpoint and move it to the given element to connect it. You can also use these handles here to change the angle and the position of the connector. Do the same with the endpoint or start point here, and that way create connections between your elements of your presentation like this. That's how it works, guys. You can also customize the given connector here at the top, change the color, the stroke color, stroke style, add arrowed start and end points here, make it transparent, or change the line type to curved or elbowed like this. You can also change the appearance of the given curved connector by using that handle here in the middle. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.